guys, welcome to the day 44 of the 100 days of DevOps challenge. So in day 44, what we are going to do, we will solve and make a docker compose file. Okay, so let's learn how to make a docker compose file in the day 44 of the challenge. Are you ready, guys? Are you ready to vibe? Come on everybody, let's vibe with me. Let's see what is the problem statement. Nautilus application development teams here static website content that need to be hosted on HTTPD server. Okay, using a containerized platform, the team has shared details with the DevOps team, and we need to set up an environment according to those guidelines. Let's see what are the environment we need to set on app server 3. Instead of HTTP, we have to create a container named HTTPD. Okay, I will create a container named HTTPD with using a docker compose file which is inside this directory opd docker compose. Okay, after that we have to use this HTTPD with the latest tag. Always remember, don't use the latest tag in the production. Why I would say, yesterday I have learned that, see, in the latest image we preferably don't get a tag. If we say a latest tag, we don't mention that what is the version of that. Latest is latest. Even if it get older, it will always be latest. So never ever use latest tag in production. Always use tags like V1, V2, V3. This is beneficial for all of you. This is a free advice which I am going to give you. Now we have to map 80 port number with this 6300. We can already do this by using docker run hyphen p map port number 80 with 6300. We can do this. Then we have to map containers. We have to map a containers volume with itadmin volume, which is already there. Okay, so we have to perform this on app server 3. Let's see what it is of app server 3. Okay, okay, so let's see the password. Let's check the password. Is this okay? Boom in the chat if you all are in the app server 3. Now what we have to do, we have to create a container name HTTP. We will create a docker compose file for this. This is easy. So first see is docker any container is running or not. Okay, no container is running. And then opd docker compose. Okay, so let's create a file within this directory. Password for banner. I think we can run this. Now, since we have created, let's go inside this. Okay, so inside this we can write a docker compose file. Let's open this in a editor. read only file. Let's escape it. Okay. Let's write a docker compose file for this. This is the docker file which we will write. Let's see what is this. This is a version which is default. We can take any version. In the services, you can see we have taken HTTPD with the latest tag. So we have taken HTTPD with the latest tag, and container name we have taken is HTTPD, which is given here. Okay, and port, it is already given that we have to map the port 80 number port of container to 6300. This is how we map it. We have mapped the container port 80 with 6300, and using fc we map containers volume with this. So how we can map this? You can see optid admin how we have mapped it with usr local apache to htdocs. Okay, this is how we write a docker compose file. Let's exit it and then let's apply the file. So how we can apply it? Just a second. Yeah, this is the file. Currently you can, if you see docker ps, there are no container running, but if you apply this by using docker compose -m inside the docker file, let's apply in the detach mode and see it's running. It's pulling the docker image web server. See, running. It's running in the docker default and container is started. Let's see the container. You can see the container ID, this HTTPD latest image, which is pulled just now 7 seconds ago. It was up 6 seconds ago, and the port number, it is mapped 6300 to 80 port. It's running, guys. Boom in the chat. If you want to see the details of all this, you can just use docker inspect also. Zip docker inspect, you can see the network is alias is HTTPD and web server is in a network. And the host IP host port is this entry point. Okay, since we haven't defined where is the network mode is this. Okay, this is okay. Let's see if it is executing by using curl command. Yeah, boom in the chat. If you receive this message, that means it is executing. Let's submit this task and check that whether we are doing right. Boom, write a big boom in the chat if you all guys were able to do this task successfully at one go. मेरे को कॉन्फिडेंस है कि मैं तो कर लूंगा इस टास्क को. राइट अ बूम इन द चैट इफ यू कैन ऑल्सो डू. देखा, मेरे को भरोसा था, मेरे को पता है करना है. Write a boom in the chat if you were also able to do this task. Write a great boom in the task. So, congratulations to all of you who have successfully completed this challenge. Your results have been saved and your streak is maintained. Boom in the chat. So this was the day 44. In the day 45 day of the challenge, what we will do? In day 45 we will resolve the Docker file issues. Okay, great guys. So till then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai. Signing off for today. Ending the stream in 3, 2, 1. Bye.